Well, what is up, you guys? We're back on the Fivers live futures. Let's go. So we got a fresh 50k. Oh, fresh 50k right here. And I said I would be back, and I am. Hopefully the mic quality is decent right now, because earlier this morning I think it was a little bit too low, what I noticed, and it went all south in the morning, man. But the really funny thing is, I was trading my normal live account, and it's been an amazing day, man. It's been absolutely amazing on gold. Such huge, like there's volume actually in the market. Okay, it looks right now like it looks pretty crappy if you look at it like this, but like, yeah, it doesn't look that great. But like, I've been scalping the whole London session, man. After I went off stream, I'll just show you guys quickly, man, if I can even show you this guy. Yeah, let's see. I deposited like $50. Let's see if we can show this. I deposited like $50. Wait, let me pull it up. So look at that. I deposited, literally, look, Apple Pay deposited $50 right there. And man, I made 105, bro. Just to show you guys, custom period. Look, the period is on today. So it's today's period. You can see that, like, man, I did a pretty nice flip today, man. So the market is good. The market is absolutely good. Why I'm messing up during stream, by the way, you can check it here. That's my little what you call it, flip account, flipperty flip account. But how I'm messing up on stream, guys, is like another question. I guess I don't know what I'm even doing, man. Like, I'm taking the dumbest trades. How can I take like 50 trades and they all be in profit? Like, how is that possible? And during stream, all losses, man, today. I don't even know what I was doing. So yeah, it's just about getting used to the Blues Clues. What am I even saying? So I guess am I even live, guys? Am I even live? Is anybody even watching? I think everybody's trading. I think everybody is trading. And I've been posting so much that this might not even get any views. But what I'm thinking with NAS, if it pumps past this point right here, we're actually going long. And my computer is starting to feel all this live streaming too. It's look at that. Beautiful. We need a break above. Now it's also about getting used to. I do like this platform, but it's always about getting used to the little things, right? So studies, I think, yeah, here. Yeah, look, that is a nice little range that it's in. We could pull up a little bit of a bigger range, to be honest, but no. I'm actually thinking, like, if it breaks this range, we're taking a buy on NQ. Let's see. It's been bullish, man, today. It's been NQ has been bull. Actually, can we put a buy stop? Yeah, there we go. Yes. So NQ has been bullish today. Let's see if we can get like a little bit of a bullish continuation. It's gonna fake out here, drop to the downside. Right now it's riding the EMAs to the upside. Yep. By the way, is the music a little bit too loud? Maybe it is. There we go. Okay, okay. Man, is this thing gonna pump or what, bro? What's going on, man? Oh. It is the market open, right? Or am I tripping? Am I tripping or is it the market open? It is the market open. Yeah, man. I mean, life of a streamer is not that easy, man, actually. I have like a next level of respect now for trading live streamers. I'm messing up like brutally, dude. But it also could be my personality. I don't know. Like, I like watching the chat more than the charts, but we gotta be a little bit smart here. I'm gonna go extremely nice risk management with this account. We got 1.5k drawdown, 3k profit target. But I want to risk like literally. Okay, there we go. There we go. Was this drag and drop or what? Okay, there we go. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, I guess. Is this like, why is it showing in percentages suddenly? Okay. Oh. Yep, that's what I wanted. Okay, great. We're figuring out the platform again. Once again. We're figuring out the platform. So I think it's going to continue towards the upside. Let's see if we can write this. Let me see what gold is doing even. I don't know what gold is even doing. Just up and down. But the up and down stuff is nice to scalp. Let me actually make this a little bit bigger. Why not? Why not? What's good, guys? You guys trading? Yeah, I'm the guy that exposes all the fakes. Yeah, that's me, bro. That's me, bro. You don't use volume indicators? No, man. Not on this. I don't even know if I can use this. I'm sure you can. On this platform. Maybe it's this. No. That's pretty interesting. That's a pretty interesting thing. I think that's just like the daily market monitor. Nope, that's not it. I know that this is like something like the flow map, right? But like, I don't think this actually works that well. Like, maybe it works, but I have no idea how to read this thing. Normally you need like level 2 data or like, here we see a little bit of the volume thing, I guess. Okay, I'm maybe too zoomed in. So yeah, basically 24,822, which is exactly on the trend thing. We should get some. There's some orders there, if or there's like, yeah. Ah, look, they're moving. Ah, so this might actually be active orders, but they're moving lower. Interesting. Okay, now I think I'm not gonna look at this because I don't even know where this data is from. It's a little messy as well on the chart. But hey, the possibility is there. Now I think, you know, it's gonna keep riding this trend. If not, like, hey, what a weak market opening, by the way. Not much happening, man. Yep, jumping off the EMA, but it might actually drop, guys. Let's see. Yeah, it's okay. We're gonna risk literally 100 bucks. Not gonna do more. If it drops lower, man, it might be a short instead of a buy. Let's see here. Yeah, so what's up guys? So no, I don't use the volume. Man, a lot of the fake. I just saw someone said Tory Trades was caught using demo accounts. Yeah. 100. That was me, dude. What the hell you mean I saw someone? I just posted that video, dude, and I posted like the post. Who is this someone? Are you not recognizing me? Am I looking that different right now that you don't even recognize me, dude? What's going on, man? Okay, so look, it's we have a very well placed stop loss. If now it makes a higher, if it makes a breakout now, then we're solid, man. Let's see. Nice push. Our entry was again, I thought like it was gonna break out, but I guess I wanted to retest the trend. Retest the trend, and now maybe we will pop. Oh no, not you, other individuals. Okay, I got you, man. Yeah, it's going viral on Twitter, man. Everybody's talking about it. They're also talking about the fake statements, man, like that she has actually used her uncle's statements instead of her own. So that's pretty interesting, right? If that is the case, then she's definitely doing something terrible, man. But like, we don't know. I don't. The demo stuff isn't that big of a. It's not that big of a catch, man. Like his. You know, she might just be doing her analysis on TradingView, and when you don't log into your account, it will say paper trading. So like if you have like, for example, a Trade-of-8 account and your own trading on TradingView, before you log into the account, it will say paper trading. So I don't know. It's not like she was flexing the demo money necessarily, but yeah. But yeah, I don't know if I don't know if trend lines actually work that well, to be honest. Like, I guess, bro, like we can make a trend line right here as well, right? We can make a trend line. Shablam. It means it's a breakout to the upside. Yeah, cool. I guess, like, this works, right? Look, we're using Tory Trades' strategy. But look how many times it like fakes out of the, this. But yeah, I guess it's kind of staying above, but like it's not even a clear trend line, you know what I mean? Like with trend lines, you get a lot of fake outs. Like it goes above the trend line, then it comes back to the trend line, it goes below the trend line. Like, how do you know what is the actual breakout? You know what I mean? It's like with trend lines, it's pretty unreliable. Like you could put a trend line like let's see. You could put a trend line right here for this whole range, right? Oh jeez, man. What the heck? Okay, I'm not used to this type of trend line. Okay. So look, man, I can't do this trend line well. Okay, let's say this is the trend line, right? So it's right in the trend, right in the trend, right in the trend. Then it drops here. You think, oh, it's a sell. Nah, it's going up. So like, how do you, like, I don't know, man. There's a lot of fake outs with trend lines. It doesn't mean that the whole trend is shifting. It's like maybe a little retracement or something. I don't know, bro. And it's that this is hindsight. You would never, draw a trend line like that, I think. Yeah, a lot of them are fake. No, not you, bro. Other individuals. Why do you think that burnt isn't? Don't get burnt. What are you saying? What are you saying, bro? That's a separate issue, man. Let's not talk about that. Let's not talk about that guy. Let's not. That one is what it is, man. Is what it is. So where else can we draw trend lines? Because now I'm so I don't know, bro. Yeah. Okay, we're just having fun here, guys. This is not how I actually trade. Let's see. Flipping heck, it's difficult because I've made some kind of adjustment that's weird here. Okay, well, screw it, man. That's the trend line, and let's do another one. The break of structure, support and resistance. We're gonna use all the newbie tactics here. We're gonna use all the newbie tactics here. Boom. Okay, guys. So as you can see, we're in a triangle. It broke out of the triangle, and now it wants to break through the upside, but there's a resistance zone here. Learn your support and resistance. If it breaks that support, we're getting a breakout. Break of structure, you know what I mean? No, but that's actually legit. That's actually legit. This analysis is not even wrong. It actually works. Like I'm just like, I maybe have like all this stuff in my head, so I don't need all this BS on the chart. Maybe we'll keep the resistance line there. Maybe we'll keep the resistance line. Why not? Should I copy trade? I don't know, man. Like if it's not the best trade ever. I'm just risking $100 on this. But hey, if you want to copy trade, why not? Like, NQ is bullish. It looks like it had a nice retracement, bounced off the EMA, gave it 2 bounces, making higher highs. Tory trades breakout of the trend line, all that stuff, man. So a lot of things are lining up, dude. Why not? It is kind of slow. Which prop firm is this? This is the Fivers. This is the Fivers. I think it's in the description if I'm not mistaken. The link is in the description. With the Fivers, like if you already have an account with them, like I won't get any commission. So you don't have to use my link. But if you're a first time user, you can. But it's not really necessary. Like we're not doing it for that. I just like the Fivers, man. But to be honest, like their CFD side is incredibly perfect, absolutely fantastical, but the future side a little bit of a letdown in terms of the drawdown is not that big, and this account is expensive for a 50K account. It's $100 plus the activation fee is like, what was it, $140 or something. So it's like $240 for a 50K account with 1.5K leverage. 1.5K drawdown, what am I saying? The Fivers has futures? Yeah, it's new. It's new, man. The Fivers have futures now. It's the Futures Bootcamp. Let's see. Didn't I have like a tab open for that? Oh, yeah. So, yeah. Oh, geez. I'm trying to make it smaller. Let me make it smaller on the other screen. Yep. So, yeah. This is like our new fresh account. 50K. 50K bootcamp. We got a 3K target. Trailing drawdown at 1.5K. There's no daily, just the 1.5K. You can use it in one day, or you can use it spread out, which is smarter. You should use it spread out. We started it today. New fresh account. I'm gonna try to get 2 of these bad boys funded and copy trade them. You can actually copy trade on this platform. Copy trade both of these accounts, but I won't do it. I actually won't do the copy trading thing, but it's nicer to have 2 accounts with 1.5K and rotate them. I think that's a better option. Like, you know, on maybe like, let's say this one I trade on Tuesday and Thursday, and the other one on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let's like split it up like that. So if I win a couple days, I lose a couple days, it like balances it out kind of thing. Or I trade gold with one and NQ with the other. That's another possibility. Or I trade London with one and New York with the other, but we only have 2 accounts, so I think I'll just rotate them. And right now this trade is moving pretty. What do you think of the 2.5K high stakes account? Yeah, man, it's cheap. It's got the scaling plan, so even the 2.5K or 5K, very nice as a beginner, man. And just to play around with, like I even have the 2.5K account, or I bought it. I blew it, but like still, I even bought it, man, because it was like $12. I was like, why not? Let me like, just for fun's sake, let me practice a little bit with this. But yeah, man, like, look, you guys think I'm like playing, but look, this is a live account, man. Today I flipped it 3x. I made it to, with $50 deposit, I made it to 150 in a couple hours. From 13 till 16. And I might take something else on this account, by the way. I've just been scalping gold all day long. I've just been scalping gold all day long, but I flipped it, man. So I might just take it out. But like, look, from 50, I made $100 profit or 100 euros profit. So like, I earned this account. This account is $100. I made that with scalping today, so I can reward myself with another futures account. And that's how I do it sometimes, man. It's like, yeah, why not? We made $100. Why not buy another futures account? But today has been very nice to scalp, but not nice for big moves. Like, let's just go to gold, for example. Like, I don't know, man. Looked like it was gonna break out, came all the way back down. Maybe right now could be a good market buy, but I don't know, man. Like, we need a big stop loss for gold, and we just can't do that. It's way too wicky. It could go all the way down today. I got one, blew it. I went nasty 2-week losing streak, but I'm planning to get another one. Yeah, bro. Like, oh, you blew the 2.5k. Yeah. I mean, look, with the 2.5k, I think there's a scaling option as well, right? I know with the 5k, you can actually like make it all the way up to 500k account balance if you just consistently trade it. But it's difficult to risk, like, you would have to risk like $25 on a trade, right, with a 2.5k account. Not too bad, actually. $25 to make maybe 1-to-1, 1-to-2, right? $50 with a $25. You can still make some profit, but you won't get like a massive payout, right? But hey, it depends where you are, man. Like, maybe $250, $200 a month, making it from that account might be some good money. And when you get 10%, you can actually scale up the account. So then you'll be getting a 5k account, 7.5k, 10k, etc. So you will actually scale it up while taking profits as well. So I really like, there's all the HS account scale once you reach 10% profit. Exactly, man. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, the 2.5k isn't any different. I just don't remember exactly how it scales. I haven't seen the charts. I'm very familiar with the other accounts, but I don't remember the 2.5k. Does it first go to 3.75 or does it go straight to 5k? I don't remember. But oh, you scaled up the 2.5k into 3.5. Now working on the next step. Oh, great stuff, man. That's awesome, bro. Really good stuff, man. Yeah, little by little, bro. Rome wasn't built in one day, like they say. And slow and steady wins the race. And if you gain little by little, you will increase it. But wealth gained hastily will dwindle. Will dwindle like a rush of wind. I don't know even what I'm saying. That's not a part of it. But like, but yeah, little by little, bro. Little by little. The good thing about prop firms is, look, if you got a $250 account, like, it's not. Yeah, you don't. The thing is, you take a couple losses, then you don't even have margin to put on the trades, right? So having your own. Yeah, I scalped like today with $50 margin, but all the trades were like $1 profit, $2 profit. Like, it was small, and I had to risk almost the whole account. I pretty much risked full margin and stuff. So like, that's not sustainable. But when it's with a prop firm, you can actually do proper risk management. Hey, what's up, FX Alice? What's good, man? Market kind of slow right now on NQ. I think there is Australian news in a little bit, but that won't affect NQ that much. Yeah, I think I should throw a little bit more on this trade maybe, because yeah, we're gonna be sitting here for a long time. If I was just trying to get like a little market open scalp, but like this is turning into a long hold, man. Yeah, so Black Sheep Effect says, yeah, I'm 17. From Nigeria, $200 a month is actually crazy for graduate doctors, lawyers. So if I could pull it off, it would be so great. Wow, man. Really? Like lawyers make that much? Like lawyers make $200? That's crazy, man. I didn't know the salaries were like that, man. But yeah, that's great then, man. If you can yeah, just keep that. Don't over risk, man. Don't over risk. Just keep that account going. You got to keep that nest egg alive. Think about it always in probabilities. Like right now, we're risking $100 on this trade. We can go wrong 15 times in a row because we have 1.5k. So 15 times in a row, that's not gonna happen. Now my mind is already telling me risk more, but it's not smart. This is a good play stop loss. This is not that exciting of a stream because that's also popping in my mind. Like, yeah, this is a pretty boring price to look at. $3, $5 here and there. Like, it's not that exciting. So like a part of my brain is like, oh, we got to make it more exciting. Put some more risk on the plate. No. I actually want to pass. Well, we passed the last challenge as well, but I actually want to do this properly, which is yeah, not passing it in a couple of days, but like literally passing it over time by the strategy just playing out and proper risk management. But yeah, this is kind of getting rough to look at, to be honest, like this up and down BS. So let me look at the chat, guys. Marcus, did you see NinjaTrader is going to host the tournament again, but this time with not with 20k but 100k in prizes. I don't, like, a friend of mine just did a whole like trading competition, and I think he got like he placed in the top 20, and he had like a really good result, and he was doing it for a month, trading stocks in some kind of bank competition, and the prize was 20k, but you don't get anything. Like, even if you landed in a pretty solid place like top 10, even in second place, you don't, well, maybe with NinjaTrader you do, but get a little bit. But there's so many people in the competition, and you kind of have to over risk to end in the top. It's like a lot of effort for, I don't know. I don't claim to be the best trader, so I will never win those competitions. Prop firms is the same flipping. Everyone says proper risk management, when in reality it's 10% risk per trade if you're risking 1% of the account. Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, I risk like 0.5% on the funded accounts, on the CFDs. With that 25k account, it was difficult, man, to be honest, with futures, because we only had $750 drawdown, so you can't even, like, the stop loss has to be mega tiny. This is literally the smallest that we can use. We can use only 1 micro, right? We're only using 1 micro, which is the smallest, absolute smallest you can use. And look, the stop loss here, which is a pretty tight stop loss, if you ask me, it's already $100. So how the heck am I supposed to do that with like $750? 7 losses and my account is gone. At least with this, we have 1.5k. We can have 15 of these trades go wrong. That's at least good. That at least gives me, you know, you know, some room to play with. Now, let's see here. Let's see here. Tory Tate's trend line. I can't even see the trend line. Yeah, I think we broke it. Okay, listen, guys. Like, I think we might even be breaking the trend. Yep, we got out. And now I actually don't know if that is allowed, to be honest. Oh, shoot. I hope that is allowed. But yeah, I think we're breaking below the trend. Let's see. Now it will get interesting, guys. Now it will get interesting. I think, you know, long consolidation, but long consolidation, but I think the market is wanting to make its move right now towards the downside, but I'm not 100% certain. Let's see. This is the last trade of this session, man. For the futures account. If this doesn't hit, we're out, man. Like, nothing we can do. We're aiming for 1 to 2. Aiming for 1 to 2 risk ratio. Yeah, then we'll finish with $150 profit. That's fine, actually. So lawyers and doctors earn about 120 to 150 depending on position. Wow, man. The Fiverr is like this is demo, like futures, because it's not, because you're not like funded straight away, obviously. So yeah, this is paper trading account, I'm guessing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We're getting a nice push. Let's see. Man, switching time frames, kind of annoying here. Very, very slow. Very, very slow market opening, guys. I don't know why, but it is pretty slow today. Oh, okay. We're getting a... Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Okay, wait a second now. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Come on. Okay, maybe we could maybe push it a little bit further. We could maybe push it a little bit further. Also, actually, it's a double top now that I'm looking at it. If we actually look at the 5 minute, man, I'm looking at like such a small period of time. Look, man, we could definitely like take it a bit further than that, right? I didn't even look at the full picture, man. Okay. Now, here's the thing. It could jump up from here. Wait, so we're in a sell. We're buying market. No. Ah. Man, I messed up. Guys, I messed up big time. The quantity, I should have put it on 1. I wanted to eliminate 1. I wanted to sell 1 contract. So, because we had 2, I wanted to take 1 off so that I could keep the rest running till here. I accidentally took both off. No. Well, okay, maybe if it comes back, we could re-enter. But no, that was a good trade, man. You understand what I mean, guys? So I was trying to take half off partials so that we could eliminate that loss from before, and then keep the rest running. And I would have put the stop loss to break even, man. What am I doing, man? That's always like the thing with when you're switching platforms. Like, it's difficult, man. Okay, but there is a chance that it will bounce off the 200 here, come back, and let's see if we can catch it again. Let's see if we can catch it again. Nope. Let's see if we can catch it again, man. Wow. Okay, it is coming back up. Maybe it's not the worst mistake ever. Oh, you mean for practice? No, I don't. They don't have a demo account for practice. No. Smart spotting reversals. Thanks, man. You should try to hide your email, man. Yeah. Man, I don't know how to do it, dude. It's fine, man. People can message me if they want. It's all good, dog. All good. Yeah, wait for the retest. Don't worry. Yeah. I just hope that the trade doesn't run away without me. You know what I mean? But it looks like it's coming back to the range. Man, I have like major let's see. Gold is just up and down, up and down. Wow. Not sure what to make of gold right now. Just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Up, down, up, down. Kind of nice for scalping, but let's see here. Let's put it. Yeah, look at this shizzle on gold. Haha, what can you make of this, guys? Up, down, up, down, up, down. It's a messy chart, man. Nah, we're not gonna trade that. That's way too messy. That's way too messy, man. There is a chance that the trade runs away without us here. Yeah, looks like it's not coming back up right now. Kind of sucks, man. Kind of sucks because the idea was good. Yeah, if we look at the 5-minute, you just see like kind of double top, getting really weak over here. I don't know, man. Should I just re-enter if it breaks lower? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if it comes back. It's consolidating a little bit. Oh, there's a Nigeria discussion going on here in the chat right now, I'm guessing. Man, yeah, my traps feel like shizzle, man. Okay. Come on, dude. Pump it up, dog. So I can get back in. Come on, man. Come on, man, NASDAQ. So, Yep. Giving a little push now. Come on. Okay. You know what? We're I don't know. I don't want to risk scalping that even. To the upside, that's a little too risky of a scalp. Shorts are definitely the play right now, but yeah, I'm thinking maybe somewhere here. Somewhere there would be a good sell limit. Okay, it's coming up. Slowly coming up. Come on now, Nas. Come on now. Man, like, I don't know why my traps are so bad, dude. Maybe it's the chair, dude. I don't know. Yeah, let me sit like this. Maybe that's better. Okay. Come on, dude. Pump it up, man. We gotta get in this trade. Come on, bro. So let me read the chat real quick. I'm done for today. Wow, what did you do? But I think I'm lucky because of our exchange rate. I can make 2.5k work. I earn $100 minimum wage. Oh, okay. Yeah, man, that's. I mean, with $100, investing $12 into the 2.5k, it's not too bad. But I get it. It's like 10% of your wage, right? Like a little bit more, 12.5% of your salary, man. Yeah. So yeah, don't blow it, man. Take it easy. You know, don't over risk. Okay. Looks like it wants to move a little bit higher still. That's good. Let's keep it right there. Come on. I doubt that it will do a complete 180, but let's see. Okay. Some volume coming in. Nah. Getting rejected. Okay. Let's see. Ah, getting rejected now. Gotcha. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, guys, I'm lagging a little bit. Okay, there we go. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Looks like it wants to push down. But I don't. This is like, if we would enter over here, it's only going to be with one market order. Yeah, man. It's not looking like it's going up there, to be honest. But yeah, we'll stay patient. We'll stay patient. Okay. Never mind. I spoke too soon. Yeah. So, who was down for today? What did you? How did you? What did you make today? Yeah. Basically like range breakouts right now with this account. Yeah, for sure. This is like waiting for the New York market to see what it's gonna do. Most likely, I think. You know what? We're going for it. It looks like it's gonna drop. You know, it is what it is, man. Like we didn't get. It didn't want to come up all the way to the highs. And we're gonna take a worse entry. It is what it is. It's just it doesn't show the strength to push it all the way up here, so we're just gonna take it right now. Come on now, push it down. Push it down, son. If you look at the 5-minute, here we can see I believe the 9 and the 20. It wasn't able to pass the 9 and the 20. Yeah, that's the 9 and that's the 20 moving average. So look at that, pushing down nicely. The volume is increasing, so this is very, very nice. Let's see if we can actually get a big push towards the downside. And we're going to limit our loss. Well, let's say 50, yeah. 49. If the stop loss hits, we'll be break even for the day. But I think we could get potentially a runner. Yeah, like a $250 trade, maybe even. That would be a bit too aggressive. Let's go for 200. 1 to 4 RR. $50 for 200. Let's see if we can get that. Yeah. Still wicking. Let's check the 1 minute. Okay, so it's hitting the 200 on the. That's kind of where I thought it would reverse from, to be honest. That's kind of where I thought it would reverse from. But let's see. So far, it's not strong enough, man, that push from the 200. Yeah, and on the bigger time frame, it just looks like it wants to drop down. So let's just look at the 5 minute. The 1 minute can be a bit crazy sometimes. You know what I mean? Oh, you got profit on GJ? Nice, man. Oh, you're up $15 on the live account. That's good, man. That's really good. Wait, what did you say? I lost my car and my house. Taking out a loan to top up my personal account. Need to make this rent. He's joking. He's joking, guys. That's funny though. That's really funny, dude. Actually, like, there's a video I need to react to. Actually, this guy went like 44k in debt. We actually reacted to it on Dan's channel, but it got like 60 views, so I think that video deserves a little bit more attention, because no joke, there are people who are borrowing like the max they can absolutely borrow and wasting it all. What, not wasting, but like spending it all on prop firms, which is, look, if you can't do it, man, with your own money, don't start to borrow. It's not going to make it better. Throwing more money at it is not going to work. If you can't make a 2.5k account work, you can make $1 million account work. It works, well, not exactly the same, because to manage 2 million is a little bit different because of the spreads and stuff when you get to those higher lot sizes and stuff. But like, you know what I mean, guys. The risk management should be the same. Right now, this is kind of annoying price action, to be honest. Like, this could very well just go back to our stop loss. But let's see if this 5 minute closes on a wick towards the downside, or better yet, if it closes red, I'm pretty sure we'll hit that TP. I'm pretty sure we'll hit that TP. But yeah, look, like, these numbers are like minuscule. Okay, like, I'm used to like a little bit bigger, so for me it's like, man, we should, like, I don't know, but it's smart risk management. It's gonna take a while to hit like that 3k profit target, but it's just smarter to do it this way, man. Yeah. Gotta start somewhere, bro. Yeah. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's see here. We got about 2.5 minutes for this next 5 minute close. Quite a bit of time. Quite a bit of time for it to move up, down, up, down. But let's see if we get closer to that close. Let's see how it closes. It would really give us the confirmation if, okay, look, that's nice. That's nice. It needs to close. It would be ideal if it closes red like that. Like, yeah, that would be ideal. That would be ideal for us if it closes like that, dude. Or better yet, man, just makes it, if it does it right now, it's also fine, dude. Yeah, no, this is looking pretty darn good, but it's playing around. It's playing around with us. About 1 minute and like 40 seconds, 35 seconds, something like that. So let's see. What pro form are you using? This is the Fivers. I haven't used Lucid yet, man. Is the platform good? Because, you know, I know they have like their own platform now, which is kind of like TradingView. I've heard like mixed feelings about that platform, because it can be laggy sometimes, I heard, or I've seen on TikTok that people are saying like, hey, sometimes it's like a little bit laggy. So let me know, how do you like the Lucid account, man? How do you like the Lucid? Oh, it's Yizzo Piscopo, no heavy US news this to fuel any idea of what? Federal Chair Paul speaks. Really? Well, it looks like we're going to get our move today. This, I guess you could say scalp, but it's actually quite a big move. Would give us a nice little profit for the day. Let's see if we can get that. Oh, we have about 10 seconds for the 5-minute close, and it looks like, yeah, this is a nice, it's going to be a nice close. Yeah, that was a nice close. Let's see how the next one opens. Don't come all the way back up. Come on now. Yeah, honestly, pretty annoying price action, especially on gold, man. Like, I guess the market is waiting for that Powell stuff to hit. Then I didn't see that on Forex Factory, so I didn't know that he was going to speak today. Oh, you like it because you can set pending orders using the risk reward tool. Yeah, risk reward tool. That's nice, man. Yeah, over here it's also pretty easy drag and drop kind of thing. But I don't think you can do it beforehand that well. So maybe Lucid, but isn't Lucid like trading on TradingView? Isn't it like a little bit laggy and stuff? Oh gosh, dude. This. Let me look at it on the 15 minutes. Sometimes that's a little bit clearer. Yeah, this 15 minute open kind of little too green for my taste, but let's see. Let's see, man. Let's see. Anyone trading? Has anybody? Can you link NinjaTrader to MetaTrader 5? Ooh, I'm not. I don't think so, man. I don't think because it's different. Also, like it's futures to CFD. Of course, you can do futures on MetaTrader 5, but it's different. There's only one broker that will allow it. I think it's AMP Futures that allows futures trading on MetaTrader 5. I haven't seen any other broker or prop firm use MetaTrader 5 for futures. It's very, very rare. And I don't even honestly know. Yeah, I don't think you can copy NinjaTrader to MetaTrader 5, but hey, I could be wrong. Maybe there's an EA for it. Yeah, just Google it. That would be the better option. Don't ask me, just Google it. But I think that would be a pretty difficult one to do. I really think okay, look, now it's continuing to the downside. Actually, like, this is just textbook, guys. This is textbook. Look, we took a little loss earlier because I thought it was going to be a continuation pattern, right? I saw the trend being broken. We took a $50 loss. Took a $100 win because I exited here accidentally both positions. I was supposed to hold one contract. But hey, we actually, it worked out great in our favor because we actually got a bear entry. And we shorted it again. So actually, like, even though the profits are not big, we did actually everything perfect according to strategy, according to risk management. Today is a good day. Everything was done exactly the way it should be. Exactly according to plan. Now the market just has to do what it has to do, and we're going to put it to break even. Not risking any money on this anymore. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go, man. We did everything that we could do, man. Yeah, we did everything that we could do to protect the capital and make the smart decisions. So, yeah, AMP Future, yeah, AMP Future. Google it. They allow MetaTrader 5 on futures. I'm not sure if they allow every single country, but like you should check it out if you want to trade futures on MetaTrader 5. They also have, look, I sound like a salesman for them, but I don't even use them myself. I'm just saying, like, I did a little bit of research on futures brokers, and I found that was kind of interesting that they allowed MetaTrader 5 on futures. Yeah, Fivers is using MetaTrader 5, but that's the CFD version. This is the futures version. So this is the platform for futures. It's called Black Arrow Pro. Black Arrow Pro. If it goes past 930 opening price with a strong candle, it's good. Yeah. I think today the opening market range was a little iffy. So, I wasn't sure, but now it has broken it, I think, the opening market range as well. So now the volume could start to pick up as well towards the downside. Look at that. I think our TP will get hit. Let's see. I doubt that it will come all the way back up from here. It definitely has like more room to go towards the downside. Let's see. I've only bought 125K, and now this is the second account. We passed the first account live. We did it live. You saw that. It was just at the launch. We took all the trades live. We passed the first account in one go. First try. Boom. And I think we could do it this time as well. Because I'm actually going to do really proper risk management on this account. Oh, jeez, man. Come on. Don't do some weird wicking action now. And take us out of the position. Yeah, it's gonna wick. I just don't want it to wick all the way back up. Okay, let's see. Trailing our stops. Yeah, it's gonna wick. It was a bit too fast. It got absorbed now. Yeah, we're just not gonna risk any of our profits. Okay, we got knocked out. Whatever, guys. $200 profit. Fine. Cool. We did proper risk management. That was the most important part. We followed the strategy. And I'm just not taking any chances for it to come all the way back up. And us hitting break even after being in profit $200. Look at that. It's wicking. It came down a little bit too fast, got absorbed straight away. And buyers are stepping in right now. And it's moving slowly to the upside. Look at that. It's slowly moving. So we minimized going into the negative now. So anyway, hey, that was kind of the live stream, man, today. But like I said, man, it's been kind of difficult, man, with that CFD account. We're down pretty bad actually on that account. So I'm gonna have to lower the risk until we get back. Still got, we need to make 5% back, which is not too difficult, but like, yeah, it's quite a bit of quite a bit of capital. We need to make like 5K. Anyway, we'll figure that out tomorrow. That's tomorrow's worry. The found out just now that AMP Futures is US regulated and an account can be linked to MetaTrader 5. That's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm saying. Like the futures futures account can be linked to MetaTrader 5. That's what I was just saying. W Trade, yeah, man. Thanks, bro. Yeah, I followed the first account. Too bad you failed. Funded account. Keep it up, bro. Yeah, thanks, man. Like that was the week of the lawsuit, so I was running from place to place. I was not doing too good. When I came home, I rushed to the screen and I over risked, and it was bad, man. That's why I won't make the same mistake again with this account, man. We're gonna keep the same risk, no matter how itchy I get to up the risk. We're gonna keep it to 1 to 2 micros max. Trading M and Q, not trading gold, unless it's like a very clear setup. Unless it's like, look at that, it's going up. So we made the right decision to get out. We didn't want to get trapped in like this up-down BS, right? Where, you know, maybe it goes all the way back to break even. So we got out at the right time. Today was a W overall on this stream because we did exactly everything right. Hopefully, maybe, yeah. This is how I trade futures, guys. This is how I trade futures. I keep very tight stop losses. I look at EMAs, I look at the trend, and I try to get little scalps because you can't put huge stop losses. Otherwise, one loss and almost your whole account is gone. So you can't risk too much, and you gotta have tight stop losses, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. But futures is ideal for scalping because you don't have spreads, commissions are low, all that stuff. So it's actually ideal. So yeah, thanks guys for being here. Yeah, weird wicking action sucks. Yeah. I just saw like when it pushed down like that and immediately got absorbed. I just knew like it's gonna do some funky stuff. I just knew it was gonna do some funky stuff. And let's take a quick look at gold. Oh wow. Oh wow, man. Oh gosh, dude. Gold is actually like, oh, we missed that move, man. Oh, dude, I totally missed out on this. Wow, is it actually gonna break the lows? I'm definitely not taking this trade now. Definitely also not on discount, but I'll keep a close eye on this because this could be a very huge break. I can't do the 4 hourly, but like, yeah, look at that, man. It's trying to break this and go for these lower levels. But yeah, let's see what happens with gold, man. That's gonna be another interesting one. At least there's volume with gold right now, so there's definitely some money to be made. Dang, man, I was too focused on NQ, man. I would have taken that on another account, the gold trade. But yeah, it's getting absorbed as well. Getting a little wick here. If it comes all the way back up, which it could, let's see what happens then. Maybe it's a short. Maybe we can still get into the short. But I'm not going to do it on this account. For this account, it's done. We made $200. It's fine. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm probably gonna be here around the same time, maybe a little bit after the open. We'll see. With the other account as well. Let's see how we're gonna manage these accounts. Hopefully we'll pass both, but I'm not too sure about the other account now. Yeah, that one, I accidentally did a mistake this morning. I entered entered the wrong lot size, made a 2K loss. So like that account is pretty fried. Then after that I made like 2 other losses. Oh man. And the day before I made losses as well. So like, you know, that account is fried. But hey, at least I'm showing you guys everything fully transparent. You know, win or loss, it is what it is, man. At least we're doing it. We're doing it live. And I'll get better with these live streams too, man. We're gonna figure it out. And once I figure out this live streaming thing, guys, you know, if I do it every single day, I get better at it, more comfortable at it. You know, we're gonna be passing pro firm challenges every month, man. We're gonna be doing it win after win after win. That would be cool. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you haven't checked the latest video on Tory Trades, check it out, man. It's kind of interesting. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys tomorrow.